Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create an assigned table and assign different tasks to different people in Monday.com. So in your Monday.com, open the board in which you want to create that assign column and then go to this add new column button, press add new column. Here you have to search for people and select this one that says people. As you can see, a people's column has now been added. Now as you can see, I have a couple of tasks here. I have a couple of items: task 1, task 2, task 3. Let's say I want to assign task 1 to myself. All I have to do, I click on people right next to the task 1, and I select myself here, MB, and this task has now been assigned to me. Task 2 I want to assign to my colleague. I select his email, and task 3 I also want to assign to myself, so I select myself. So now as you can see, I am able to assign task 1 to myself, task 2 to my colleague, and task 3 to myself. So this way you can use an assigned column in Monday.com to assign different tasks to different people. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks.